Dr. Smith. He is dedicated to the health and wellness of his patients. His patients entrust him with their health care, even with their private data. Patient data is the lifeblood of Dr. Smith's business. However, this data is also extremely appealing to criminals and hackers. Did you know that health records sell 8 to 10 times more than your credit card information on the dark web? Shocked? The first page of patient intake forms itself includes ample updated personal data for thieves to rejoice. While providing exceptional care is a priority, safeguarding their health records and personally identifiable data is equally important today. Data security is a requirement under HIPAA compliance and not a choice, it's the law. Not doing so can lead to huge penalties, litigation, damage to reputation, and loss of patients. And most of all, lost productivity and an average loss of about $30,000 per day till your medical facility is up and running. Feeling overwhelmed? Do you have a plan to avoid all this? No. We can help. We specialize in implementing and overseeing a comprehensive HIPAA-compliant strategy designed exclusively for healthcare providers. Our solution helps you by conducting regular risk assessments, generating documentation required for evidence of compliance, and more. Being HIPAA compliant is mandatory and ethical, but it does not have to be stressful or complicated. Our comprehensive compliance solution is easy to use and ensures protecting both your patient's healthcare and private data remains your top priority. Provide holistic care to your patients while also keeping their data safe. Eliminate possible HIPAA violations and remain fully compliant with ease. Partner with us today to get started.